Are roofs in Tarrytown really that much different from most roofs in Austin? Hey guys, Nick Riley here with Driftwood Builders Roofing out on this beautiful house in Tarrytown where we're doing a full roof replacement on an asphalt shingle roof. So the situation was our customer thought she had hail damage. I climbed on top of this 2-story roof. I found the hail damage. USAA agreed with my findings. And the best part is her deductible is only $1,000, which is awesome. Now, the thing that makes roofs and houses in Tarrytown unique is that the houses in Tarrytown are older than the average house. Now, that accounts for the roof for 2 big reasons. So at a high level, there are 3 components to a roof. The first is the asphalt shingles. The second is the synthetic underlayment. And then the third is this wood decking right here. Now, typically, sometimes we find extra layers of underlayment or extra wood decking underneath roofs, which can lead to additional costs for the homeowner. Now, typically, there's only 1 layer of felt paper underneath the roof. Sometimes there's 2. On this roof, there were 4 layers of felt paper underneath the Tarrytown roof. Now, the reason why is because this house was built in 1930. And so during roof replacements, the roofer is supposed to tear off every single layer of felt paper, and there's only supposed to be 1 layer of felt paper underneath the roof. However, unfortunately, sometimes roofers get lazy and they just tear off the old shingles and they leave the existing felt paper underneath the roof and just put a 2nd layer of felt paper on top of it. And in this situation, a 3rd layer of felt paper and then a 4th layer of felt paper. So when there are extra layers of felt paper, that's more work for a crew and thus additional cost to the homeowner. So that's the first thing to keep in mind with Tarrytown roofs, is that since the houses are older, a lot of times there's additional layer of felt paper underneath them. The second thing to keep in mind for roofs in Tarrytown is that similarly, since the houses are older, a lot of times the wood decking underneath is rotted. Now, typically on average, about 5% of the wood decking needs to be replaced on roofs. When we do our estimates, we'll put 10% to hedge against our risk, and that way the customer isn't too surprised when they have to spend more money. However, in Tarrytown, we usually raise that number for the wood decking. Since the houses are older here, the probability that the wood decking underneath needs to be replaced is a little bit higher. And so we'll let the customer know up front, hey, you have an old house. The probability that there's extra underlayment or rotted wood decking underneath is going to be higher, so the cost is most likely higher to you. And so yeah, on this house specifically, there was 4 layers of underlayment on this house, 3 layers of underlayment above the garage, but surprise, no rotted wood decking underneath.